Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question. And we have a x plus y, this is equal to -2, and the product of x, y, this is equal to +2, and we find the value of x and y. So let's start. Look at this first equation. We have a x plus y, this is equal to -2. In this equation, we subtract a y on both sides of this equation. Then we get x is equal to -2 y. This is our third equation, and this is our second equation. Now we put this third equation into second equation. So this is a x, and we replace x by this one, -2 y. The next is a y, which is equal to 2. Now we multiply these two values, then we get -2 times y, and negative y square is equal to 2. In the next step, we add a y square and 2 times y on both sides of this equation. Add a y square and also add a 2 times y on both sides of this equation. This negative y square and positive y square cancel. This negative 2 times y and positive 2 times y cancel. Or we just get 0 is equal to, we rearrange this equation. So we have a y square plus 2 times y and plus 2. So this is a quadratic equation. So we get a quadratic equation, which is a y square plus 2 times y plus 2, this is equal to 0. We use a quadratic formula to solve this equation, and in this equation a is equal to, the coefficient of y square is 1, and b is a coefficient of y, which is a 2, and the c is a constant, which is a also 2. The formula is y is equals to -b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times product of a and c over 2a. So this is a y is equal to, b is a 2, so we write -2 positive negative square root b square is a 2 square minus 4, a is a 1 and c is a 2 over 2, and a is also 1. Now we simplify this. So this is y is equal to -2 positive negative 2 square is a 4. Multiply these value, then we get 8. 9 to 1 is a 2. So this is equal to -2 positive negative square root 4 minus 8 is a -4 over 2. And we write this as a y is equal to -2 positive negative 2 iota over 2. And again we simplify this, we write this as a 2 into -1 plus minus iota over. In the next step, this 2 and 2 cancel, and we get the value of y, which is a y is equal to -1 positive negative iota. This is the value of y, and we use this value and find the value of x. The two value of y, first y1 is a -1 and negative iota, and the second value of y, second value is a -1 positive iota. And first of all, we use this value and find the value of x1. For this we use the equation 3. So this is a x, here we write x1 is equal to -2, and y is, we take this value y1 -1 and negative iota. Simplify this value, so we have a -2, this will become a +1, and this is a positive iota. Now -1 +1 is a -1, and this is a positive iota. So x1 is this one. In this case, the y1 is a negative 1 and negative iota. So this is the one solution. Now we take this y2 value and find the x2. For this we also use the equation 3, which is a, here we write x2 is a negative 2 and y is this one, negative 1 positive iota. Now we simplify this. So we have a negative 2 and positive 1, and this is a negative iota. Positive 2 and negative 1, negative 2 and positive 1 is a negative 1, and this is a negative iota. This is the value of x2. In this case the y2 is a negative 1 and positive iota. These are the possible answers that satisfy our question.